If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here. Just wanted to do a video on dark theme. Yes, you heard me right. Yesterday, Google released Android P Developer Preview 4 or Beta 3 for the Pixel devices, and we have dark mode inbuilt. So let's go ahead and see how to enable dark mode. So you go to settings, you go to display, click on advanced, scroll down, device theme, select dark. That's it. So let's see what changed. The app drawer went dark, the shortcuts dark themed, the power menu is also dark themed, and when you change the volume, this menu is also dark themed. Your Google Now feed will also be dark, but so this is how it's going to look, but the notifications here will be in white. I don't have internet connected, so that's why you cannot see that, but you'll have a black border and the text will be black and the background will be white. Right now, if I go back into settings, display, advanced, device theme, and change it to light there, so the app drawer went back to the light theme, the power menu, the quick shortcuts over here, when you change the volume, and your Google Now feed. So you can see how now it's all white, so the border went from black to white. That's it for this small video, YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, share the video on social media, and like it. See you when I see you.